Meet BonicBot S1, one of the best Indian-made educational semi-humanoid robot. We can use this robot to learn beginner to advanced level robotics. We are going to explore the complete functionality of the robot. Without further delay, let's see what makes it the best. Here you can see the head of the robot with 2 degrees of freedom, 2 hands with 6 degrees of freedom, and a customizable design. The base can move left, right, forward, and reverse with 2 degrees of freedom. Let's turn this on. Here you can see it has interactive eyes used for emotional expressions. This is the Android-based OS and the touchscreen display. Let's explore its OS functionalities. We can see manual mode, automatic mode, special features, settings, and diagnostics. In the diagnostics section, we can monitor the robot in real time, including actuators and battery status. This is the settings page where we can see basic information about the robot, set its cognitive level, update software, and set custom instructions. Here is the advanced features page with a list of available features like face tracking, object detection, telepresence functionality, and more coming soon. Let's move to manual mode. Here we can control all the actuators of the robot manually. As you can see, I am controlling the movements, left, right, forward, and backward, along with the left and right hands. We can set its position, speed, and acceleration. Now let's control its head. Next, let's explore another functionality. Recording robot movement sequences. This is an interesting feature where we can train the robot to perform actions like picking up objects, dancing, giving handshakes, etc. Here we can see a list of pre-trained sequences. Let's play a simple hug sequence. You can see it is executing the recorded sequence. There is also an option to record a new sequence with any number of steps and set intervals between the steps. Now let's move to another functionality, vision analysis. The robot can observe its surroundings and provide insights for security and general explanations. Moreover, it can navigate its environment using vision data.
The image shows a person sitting at a desk with a laptop in front of them. There is a white object that looks like a smartphone holder attached to the desk. In the background, there are other workstations and a ceiling fan. The overall environment appears to be an office setting.
Next, we have face tracking. The robot will track our face and always look at the nearest person detected on the screen. Let's see it in action. As I move away, it adjusts its head orientation accordingly. Now, what we have just seen in manual control was through the robot's operating system. Let's now explore its remote controlling software with simulation for remote operation, admin management, and controlling the robot from a different place. Here we can see the software, which you can access by visiting bot.bonic.ai. As you can see, there is a 3D environment and a simulation model of the robot, allowing us to test and simulate it in different conditions. When we turn on control mode, we can remotely control the robot while seeing its real-time actions in the simulation controller. Whatever the robot does in real life will appear here. Similarly, when we change the servo and movement in the simulation, the robot will execute them exactly. As you can see, when I change the angles of the robot's hand, the exact simulation happens in the web app, allowing me to observe the movements remotely. Using this, we can develop even more advanced functionalities for the robot. Additionally, we can view the live camera feed of the robot and control it accordingly. There is also a telepresence feature where we can make a video call through the robot. Our face will be displayed on its screen, and we can see its surroundings, hear sounds, and move it as needed. Now let's move to its most awaited AI mode. In this mode, the robot will operate entirely on its own. Most importantly, it can interact with us, answer any questions, and perform trained tasks. It can speak 10+ languages.
Hello.
Greetings, human friend. How can I assist you today? I'm ready to move and help you out.
What is your name?
I'm BonicBot, a friendly robot companion, ready to lend a hand, crack a joke, or even bust a move. What's on? Nice.
Now I am going to ask it to
What
do
can I
something.
for you today?
Can
I'm
you
ready.
give me a handshake?
Here comes a hearty handshake for you, Adam. Feel the robotic grip of friendship.
Okay, can you tell me what you are currently looking at?
I'm currently in a room with light-colored walls. There's a person standing here, wearing a light-colored shirt and sporting a beard. Nearby, there's a chair, desk with some items, and even a smartphone mounted on a stand. The room has a minimalistic vibe, with an air conditioning unit on the wall. That's my current location.
Now I am going to speak in Malayalam.
Okay, can you tell me a story in Malayalam?
Oh, telling a story in Malayalam? Absolutely. Let's get started. ഒരു ചെറിയ ഗ്രാമത്തിൽ ഒരൽപ്പം നാളുകൾക്ക് മുമ്പ് ഒരു ചെറുപ്രായത്തിൽ മഹാകായൻ എന്ന പേരിൽ കുട്ടനാടൻ കുട്ടനുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ കുട്ടന്റെ വിശേഷം അവൻ ഒരിക്കലും മിഠായികൾ കഴിക്കാറില്ല. പക്ഷേ സ്വന്തം തോഴന്റെ മുത്തശ്ശൻ കുട്ടനാടൻ എന്നവനെ കാണാൻ കുട്ടൻ കാത്തിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. കുട്ടനാടൻ തന്റെ
Stop speaking.
You're welcome, Adam. Anything else I can do for you today?
Move forward.
I'm moving forward. Where to
Stop
next?
moving. Stop moving.
I've stopped moving. What's next on your agenda, Adam?
Move backward. Okay, stop moving.
Stopped moving. Ready for the next command.
Okay, do talking action.
Here I go, engaging in some lively talking action. What shall we discuss?
All this time, the robot interacted with us like a real human. It speaks while moving its hands, looks at the person it is talking to, and can describe what it sees. I can also assign it tasks, like moving to specific locations. For example, I will tell the robot to move to that door. As you can see, the robot moves intelligently. The robot can be recharged using a 12-volt adapter, as you see here. Additionally, the battery can be easily upgraded or replaced for extended usage. Many more features are being added. You can also develop and customize both the hardware and software using our guides. We provide Python SDK and JavaScript development tutorials. This is the educational aspect, but the robot can also be used in various scenarios, such as offices, where it can be trained to perform specific tasks. So that's it. Thank you.